Behind every major transformation in the healthcare industry is a quiet force, someone who sees the complexity, hears the noise, and still chooses clarity.
I don't think people understand the role pharmaceutical companies have. I think pharmaceutical companies get a lot of bad press and heat for everything, but it's a very risky innovation that pharmaceuticals do.
Because getting medicine to patients isn't just a process, it's a promise. And few people understand that better than our today's guest.
I would say in Newark at the time in the mid-90s, it was probably 60-80% of all the medical ICU beds were HIV patients.
Annette Zoe Powers is a Senior Vice President at Bristol Myers Squibb and a trailblazer in the world of market access, pricing, and patient-focused innovation.
In the pharmaceutical industry, it's really about connections, who you know, and all the roles I've ever had has been through someone I've met or through connections.
As a leader, do you lead more with your head or heart?
That's a really good question. It's really hard to separate the head and the heart. I would say for the most part, you have to do the head more because during work, you have just developed friendships or close relationships, but you have to use your head because you have to do right for the organization, not what's right for Annette.
And how do you navigate the balance between commercial strategy and patient-centric access?
So I think they should be the same. You can work really hard, but that doesn't always happen. So I'm not quite answering your question, but I would say that I learned that sometimes things are not really fair. I feel like fairness and transparency are critical. And it's not easy. I've had a lot of managers in my career, as you can imagine. You know, I always say feedback's a gift. And I will say, given my end-of-year reviews, it's been variable, caution.
If you've ever wondered what it takes to create change from the inside out, or how true leadership is forged in the moments no one sees, this conversation is for you.